All right, so we're going to look at how to add read aloud so that you can have websites read to you. So I'm going to go over here with my three dots. So I'm going to hit that. I'm going to go to settings, and in here I want to go to advanced, then accessibility, and then I'm going to open it up in the Chrome store. And I'm also going to look under the categories of accessibility, and I'll find it in here. The one that I want today is read aloud, a text to speech. And there's the little blue button to add it to Chrome. It says you can do all of these things. So I'm going to go ahead and add that extension. I don't want to sync it right now, but you can see it added that little microphone right there. So let's go back to our web page. And then we're going to click it, and it's going to read for us. So have a listen.
Read the text. Meditating in School 1. Can meditation help students improve their grades?
I don't necessily have to have this on. I can make it smaller. I can move it out of the way. I can pause it. I can restart it again.
Meditating in School 1. Can meditation help students improve their grades? Surprisingly, many educators believe it can. More and more teachers are bringing meditation, specifically, meditation that involves mindfulness, into their classrooms.
And so we can see that that's reading that. It's going to go ahead and read that. So let's see that in another place on here. So I'm in language arts. Let's go to social studies. And let's just pick 8th grade because that's what I'm familiar with. Let's go ahead and pick source analysis, the Boston Massacre. And we're going to get started. So we're going to start. So now I'm going to go ahead and read.
An event that became known as the Boston Massacre took place on March 5, 1770. During the Boston Massacre, British soldiers killed 5 American. March 1765. To pay its French and Indian War debt, the British government.
So you can see I can skim around a little bit.
The Revolutionary War begins when.
I want you to notice that it is actually reading the boxes. So it has a little bit of an overlay. So you do have to pay close attention as it doesn't go ahead and highlight it on the screen. But if it's something that you need, it's worthwhile. In order to turn it back off, you have some things over here. You have.
That became known as the.
It's not what I want. So this starts it again. There's also some settings over here. You can play with the voice. It's my understanding it also does some translations. You can do a speed thing, a pitch, you can do a volume. You can turn the text highlighting off if you want. And so there's some choices that you have. So, and if you want to,
An event that became known as the Boston.
if you want to remove it, you just go back to settings, go back to advanced, go back to your accessibility, or I have it right up here. You eventually come back to here and you can just remove it from Chrome, and then you no longer have it. I hope this was worthwhile for you. Thanks.